Hello guys, I'm going to show you a very neat trick how to make the 80s hip hop sound, like you could hear maybe Run DMC or Beastie Boys, that kind of saturated drum sound. It's very simple. I made a crappy simple drum beat here, and I'll show you on Retro Rock Kit and also on an 808 how it can sound. And it's all stock plugins. So this is how these drums sounds now. And to bring out that sound, you go to delay, tape delay, and turn off the sync, pull down the delay time to 0, smoothing 0, LFO, and no feedback. I should say this also. I'm not the one who came up with this. I found this on YouTube, but I cannot remember who did it, and so I can't do a shout out here. But if you know who did it, please write it in the comments. It was a brilliant idea, and you'll hear why. Okay, anyway, off with the delay time, tempo sync, no smoothing, no LFO, no feedback, and 100% wet. And then you play with the clip threshold here. So listen, this is how it sounds regularly. Then you start, and now you start getting the, and around here you get something like Run DMC, Beastie Boys vibe, that kind of time period in those bands. Of course you can go even more than you. It's a little bit like Beck in the 90s maybe, I don't know, but it's as simple as that. And I did the same with an 808, so same beat. You hear the saturation kick in straight away. We get this nice distortion. I'd say around there you got the nice sound. Of course my headphones suck, so it might not be sound as good for you guys as it does here. Anyway, it's you just go tape delay, turn everything off, 100% wet, and then play with the clip threshold. And I'm gonna have it on a song that we're releasing later on an EP with my band Black Sheep Communion. Our next song that we release, we actually got David Bowie's piano player to play on it, which is really cool. I've been a big fan since I was a kid, and he plays amazing. So it's Mike Garson. If you haven't heard about him or heard his things, you should listen to Aladdin Sane with David Bowie, or Lady Grinning Soul, or Time. I mean, those pianos they're just crazy, yeah, amazing. And we got him to play with us, which is the next video will be a mixing video of how I mix the piano so it fits into the full sound, to the sound of the song, to this, I don't know, soundscape, whatever. Okay guys, thanks, that's it. Short video, hope you liked it. Thumbs up, please subscribe and all of that. Okay, take it easy, bye.